minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, today it is 3rd May 2020. Subject Economics, class 12th. Today we are starting a new topic, that is cost. Concept of cost. What is cost? Cost of the commodity. Here we can say that subtopic components of short-term cost. First of all, what is cost? It refers to the expenditure incurred by a producer. It refers to the expenditure incurred by a producer on the factor as well as on non-factor. A producer inputs for a given amount of output of a commodity. I will repeat it. It refers to the expenditure incurred by a producer on the factor as well as non-factor inputs for a given amount of output of a commodity. Now, what are the components of short-term cost? There are two types of components of components. Number one, fixed cost. Number two, variable cost. Fixed cost. Number two, variable cost. What is fixed cost? Fixed costs are the sum total of expenditure incurred by the producer on the purchase or hearing of fixed factors of production. Fixed cost includes expenditure on machines and plant. They also include expenditure like rent, measures of permanent employees, license fee. Now, below mentioned table and figure can illustrate it fully. Now, I will show you on this table. From first column, we will take units of output, units of output, units of output, and on the second column, total fixed cost. Units of output, total fixed cost. From this units of output, there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Total fixed cost is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Here it is clear that units of output, which firstly it was 1, then 2 units, 3 units which are to be produced, 4 units, 5 units, and 6 units. But there is not any change in the total fixed cost. It means, it shows that when the unit of output was 0, at that time the total fixed cost was ₹10. At 0 output, cost of the unit product of unit was ₹10. But when one units of output is there, the cost is 10. Then units of output increases from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, but there is not any change, there is no any change from total fixed cost. At 1 unit of output, total fixed cost was 10, and at 6, when you 6 units of output, at 6 units of output, the total cost was 10. It means with increase in the units of output by producer, there is not any change in the cost, in the cost of the product. It means it is the fixed cost. For example, if if an employer, what so he is producing for the government, for the public, if his production increases or decreases, but his monthly salary remains fixed. With increase what he is doing for the public, for the government, there is not any increase or decrease in his salary. The same can be explained fully with the with this figure. And this figure, we have taken output and units from O axis. From this O axis, output and units, that is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4, 5, 6. And from OY axis, total fixed cost in rupees. Total fixed cost in rupees. As you have already come to know that from this table, it is clear. From this table, it is clear that this table indicates, it indicates that fixed cost remains constant at all levels of output. When output is 0 unit, fixed cost is rupees 2. And when output is 6 units, and fixed cost is rupees 10. Now here you can see that at output, at when output was 0, the fixed cost is here, it is 10, there is no change. When output increases from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and so on, there is no any change in fixed cost, that remains 10. So this is the horizontal line parallel to OX axis. It means that total fixed cost is a horizontal line parallel to x-axis, showing that total fixed cost is constant at all levels of output. It is rupees 10 even when output is 0. So this is this we are explained here, we are discussed for fixed cost. And tomorrow inshallah we will discuss on variable cost. Thank you.